Probably the best field so far, guys.
It's been a while since I stopped and
Real
prayed.
thick.
Lord have mercy on her. You sure didn't make no mistake when you put
See
that
inside my
finger
cab?
on her. You gotta make girls like you, make guys like me.
Yeah, and I got auto steer. Radio. Just the window to check if it's full or not. It's pretty much full. And I got no window up there. So it's getting pretty full, guys. Yeah, my videos aren't ever going to be too long, but until I get a better camera or actually know if this channel is going to do anything, I'm just going to make short videos. So, if you guys like the video, like and subscribe, because I got to do controls. And here, let me just shut this off. Well, anyway, like I said, guys, I can't, I have to do this on my phone with my bare hands, and it's not too easy because you do have to watch out how fast you're going and all those things, and all those controls, and the RPM and stuff. Or until I get something to stick on the window so it'll point like this, all I really have to do is sit there and talk and, you know, do my thing. But until then, yeah, I'm just gonna make some short videos like this. So, well, if you guys like the video, like, subscribe. I'll try to make some better videos here soon.